So this is the Ollny LED string lights. This is 120 feet of plastic bulbs with LED lights in them that have a nice warm glow and just super long. It's a lot of lights, and they are weatherproof. They are shatterproof, which is great because, you know, as you can see, you don't want them to be shattering. It does come with 2 extra bulbs just in case some of them aren't working. I also love how these actually have hooks on them, making it a lot easier if you need to hook them onto a wire or hook them onto like your gutters. So that's really nice. And not only do you plug them in, but there's also another plug on the outside, so you can actually connect another 120 feet to this, just extending it without having to bring another extension cord. Or you can even set it up on the ground however you want, but these things are great. And look at how they look at nighttime. Just even laid out on the ground, this would be great, like separating your garden. Mainly you'll hang this up over a certain area, back and forth or whatever, but they're really great and the quality is really fantastic. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.